When you're looking to buy machine tools, there's one crucial question: new or used? You can't beat the look of a brand new machine, but they cost a lot more. Then again, a used machine can cause all kinds of problems for you and your team, especially because you need reliability. Who can guarantee that a pre-owned machine actually still works? That is exactly what Stiens machine tools can guarantee you. We supply used machines, but you'd never know it if we didn't tell you, because our experts personally inspect and clean each machine for you. We can also handle transport on request, and we'll assist with the installation and initial setup. We won't leave until the machine is up and running. And we'll come back right away if there are any questions. So compared to a new machine, you aren't missing out on anything. Except for the hefty price tag, of course. And that's not all we offer. Our inventory is so large that the right machine is probably already in our warehouse, so no need to worry about lengthy delivery times. You can decide which one is right for you by paying us a visit, or we can advise you online. Who has the choice between new or used relies on Stiens for more than 35 years. Contact us on our website today.